Oh, you all turned your cameras off. Oh, okay. Okay, fun, fun. Let's pick on publishers. Hey, Matt, you there? Ooh, ooh, yes, cool beans. Okay, think AI. Think pull the AI into your head. Got it?
Okay.
I'm giving you a heads up. There we go. How is your organization using AI in relation to research data management or analysis?
Okay. Good question, Shelley. Hi,
Yeah,
everyone.
really? I want to know.
So I guess there's a few people on the meeting that I don't know. So I'm Matt Cannon. I'm the head of open research for Taylor and Francis, based in the UK. So how are
Great
we
guy.
using?
Really awesome guy.
Thanks, Shelley. You're great too. So yeah, I guess a couple of ways that we're using AI specifically around data. So we have a partnership with DataSeer. I'm not sure if you know about them, but they are a commercial AI provider, and we are working with them on a couple of different ways. So one way is that we have done a landscape analysis. So we gave them access to 8,000 of the papers that we published, open access, I think all open access, initially published in 2023, and got them to run analysis to find all the researchers who'd mentioned a data set or talked about a data set in their manuscript. They may not have cited it, they may not have put it in their data availability statement, they may not have done all the things that you would have asked them to do, and it didn't matter what kind of policy that the journal had. This is about measuring what the researchers actually did. Um, and so we can use this tool to find all the mentions of data sets and use that to give us a load of information that we didn't have already because it wasn't necessarily being tagged in a way that we could report on from our side. But this AI tool is brilliant for that. So we're now able to know which are the top repositories that our authors use. We had kind of a baseline where we expected, based on the journal policy, a certain amount of people to be showing their data. Actually, we found 1.5 times more people were including data availability statements in their manuscripts than we expected to, based on the journal policy, which was really exciting. I'll find the link. We've written it up and shared it already, so I'll find the link for everyone if they want to read more. The second thing that we're doing with them, which is really interesting, is developing a tool that will help us check manuscripts at submission. So, can we use this data AI tool check whether researchers are complying with the data sharing policies of the journal? Obviously, Shelley, with her team at AGU, can have a really specific team of experts in-house to help work with authors to make sure that all the data that has been mentioned has been handled in the right way. TNF's a bit of a different animal. We have over 2,500 journals in every single subject area. So the pool of experts that we need would be huge and, yeah, complicated. So we're looking for tools to help us support our data sharing policies and guide authors. And one of the things that we're doing is getting the AI to run through the article at submission and help authors build out their data availability statement. Because we can say, hey, look, you've mentioned this data set in your methods. You need to mention it in your data availability statement, and then help work with them to work on that. It was also nominated for an award. I think it came second in the Alps Innovation Awards that their conference in September this year. So yes, a bit sad to miss out because I think it was an AI generated podcast that won, which is loads of those.
It
But
makes
yes,
sense. You should have
yeah.
won.
So yes, that's what we're doing mainly around data and AI.
Thank you.